This Professional Body Piercing Foundations course is a comprehensive, step-by-step digital masterclass designed to take you from a curious beginner to a confident, safety-conscious piercer. In this industry, there is no room for trial and error. Success is built on a foundation of medical-grade hygiene, deep anatomical knowledge, and precision technique. The course covers everything from complete workstation setup to tool and jewelry sterilization. You will master protocols for skin preparation and the chemical breakdown of antiseptics. We dive deep into the piercer's body mechanics, teaching you how to position your hands, shoulders, and the client's body to ensure every needle pass is straight and controlled. By the end of this training, you will be able to execute professional, full-cycle procedures, from precise anatomical marking to the secure installation of jewelry. We cover the industry's most requested piercings, including the ear, helix, conch, tragus, and flat, face, nostril and eyebrow, and body, navel. We also break down the critical aspects of aftercare and troubleshooting common complications. Whether you are starting your journey in body piercing or strengthening your foundational knowledge, this course will help you develop safe habits and professional confidence from day one. Welcome to the world of professional piercing.